Hello everyone. In this video, I will present my final project for the psycholinguistic course. The topic of this presentation is dyslexia, which is analyzed from a psycholinguistic perspective and its implication for English as a foreign language learning. The introduction: dyslexia is a learning disorder that affects reading and writing skill. This difficulty is not caused by low intelligence, but by problems in language processing. Learners with dyslexia often read slowly, make spelling mistakes, and find it difficult to understand written text. In psycholinguistics, dyslexia is studied to understand how language is processed in the human mind. The next about psycholinguistic concept. Psycholinguistics focuses on how language is processed in the brain. In dyslexia, several important language processes are affected, including phonological process, orthography processing, access to the mental lexicon, and working memories. These processes are essential for reading and writing, especially in learning English. Okay, next about phonological deficit hypothesis. One main explanation of dyslexia is the phonological deficit hypothesis. This theory explains that learners with dyslexia have difficulty processing speech sounds. Because of this problem, they struggle to connect sound with letters, which affect decoding, spelling, and reading fluency in English. The case illustration. The first case describes a secondary school's EFL learner with dyslexia. The learner reads English text slowly and inaccurately, often mispronounces unfamiliar words, and show low confidence when asked to read aloud in class. However, the learner's oral comprehension is relatively good. Case illustration. The second case describes a university-level EFL learner with dyslexia. This learner has good speaking ability but experiences serious difficulties in spelling, reading comprehension, and writing assessment. The learner often relies on memorization instead of decoding strategies. Psycholinguistic analysis morphological level. At the morphological levels, learners with dyslexia have difficulty recognizing prefixes, suffixes, and word endings. This problem affects vocabulary development and word recognition in English. Psycholinguistic analysis semantic and pragmatic levels. Semantically, spoken comprehension is usually intake, but reading comprehension is limited. Pragmatically, learners may avoid reading activities which affect classroom participation. The next implication for EFL context. Dyslexia can affect reading comprehension, spelling, vocabulary learning, and writing skills in EFL classroom, as well as learners' confidence. The next, role of English teachers. English teachers are not expected to diagnose or treat dyslexia. However, teachers should understand learners' difficulties and provide supportive strategies such as using multisensory methods, giving extra time, and focusing on communication rather than accuracy. And the conclusion: dyslexia affects multiple psycholinguistic processes related to reading and writing. Understanding dyslexia from a psycholinguistic perspective helps English teachers create inclusive and supportive learning environments for EFL for watching.